What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Caleb Tyre. So if you go to my school, you already know this, but if you don't, you don't know. So about a month ago, a guy called the sheriff on me for riding my mini bike, and today, and for like the first time in a month and a half or so, I'm gonna actually ride it. I started it before this just to make sure it'd start, so here we go. And the sheriff said I could ride it on this street, so if he says anything, there ain't nothing he can do to me. Still taking a few pulls. I figured, though. Okay. Alright, here we go. We're just riding it on my street, though, so here we go. Alright guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you next time. I'm going to start posting more videos soon, so stay tuned for that.